Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This was the last day of my short road trip with friends. So on this day we went for a river rafting in the Kundalika River in the village Kolad. The details about the river rafting I will be given in the description box, so you can check it out over there. And if you have not seen my part 1 and part 2, please go and check them out. The link would be somewhere up and also in the description box. Today I'll be keeping my introduction short, so please like, share and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Head and tail, you cut in half, it grows another head and tail. I don't know about the head though. List याद आ रहा है.
एक चल रहा है.
List का भी अपन end का नोट निकालेंगे. The head is dying, the tail is moving. क्या सब है.
All I want to do is find a place where it will be so dark I can't see. I'll let the music guide me. I'll see through silence and follow it to some reality. At night I feel alive, and all the flashing colors fill inside my mind. I breathe and close my eyes. The music animates me till I'm out of time. A paradise never turned to black and white. Let's make time tomorrow for doing nothing. I'm just gonna say goodbye to yesterday and all the days of light illuminates the neon shades alleviate the grace. At night I feel alive, and all the flashing colors fill inside my mind. I breathe and close my eyes. The music animates me till I'm out of time. A paradise never turned to black and white. Let's make time to tomorrow for doing nothing. I gotta feel alive, and all the flashing colors fill inside my mind. I breathe and close my eyes. The music animates me till I'm out of time. A paradise, and I feel alive, and all the flashing colors fill inside my mind. I breathe and close my eyes. The music animates me till I'm out of time.
Next coming Johnny Walker, okay? Okay guys, lock your feet.
It was the start
Okay, stop.
of my sophomore year. I had my broken heart, you were my biggest fear. And then watch me run out of all the right things to say, still finding reasons to stay with you.
Okay, get back.
Gave you a call because I needed a ride, and never thought I'd be with you in your passenger side. And now we're driving downtown, baby, you make me feel young, like I just turned 21, yeah. I don't mind if you stay on my side and never let go. I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go. While we're up in my room, I'm laughing. Your feet are too small when you try on my shoes, and then you search my face now. Well, I could tell you're not done, and I would usually run, but I don't mind if you stay by my side and never let go. I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go. I don't mind if you stay by my side and never let go. I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go. Next to me, I don't want you to ever leave. Next to me, I don't want you to ever leave.
Come on. Oh, yo.
I don't mind if you stay by my side, never let go. I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go. I don't mind if you stay by my side, never let go. I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go. I don't mind if you stay by my side and never let go. I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go.
तुम्ही बिंदले, तुम्ही बिंदले, तुम्ही हो बंधू सखा तुम्ही.
I don't mind if you stay by my side, never let go. I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go.
Let him go first.